So, hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you WhatsApp not working and not sending message from my iPhone to any contact, any other person. Let's see. Open iPhone WhatsApp. As you can see, it's showing connected. When I try to send any message someone, you can see appears on screen. It's not sending any message. So what's the reason and why WhatsApp not working on my iPhone right now? Even other app working well, as you can see Instagram and also Facebook working well in my iPhone right now, but WhatsApp not working. So check the Twitter official account of WhatsApp. There are many users reporting that their WhatsApp not working on their iPhone and also Android. So basically this is a bug that appear on WhatsApp. Maybe it will fix in a few hours or few minutes. So hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching.